Hi, y'all. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today it's going to be about how to slay your brow, honey. How to get them brows to be slayed. Because my brows is very unorthodox. So, you guys will see how to kind of map it out, how to fill it in, and I also will be using the LANCOME eyebrow gel cream today. So I haven't used it before, so I'm so excited to show you all what I think about it and how it looks. So come on over. Let's go. Come on. Come see how to slay your brows with this Lancome. Let's go. Alright guys, so we're going to start with brushing the hair a little bit in a line according to how it grows. So you have it brushed like that. And today I'm trying out the Lancome waterproof cream eyebrow gel. And it looks something like this. I'm going to show you guys can see it. And that is called the Sourcils Gel. Okay. The Lancome Sourcils Waterproof Eyebrow Gel / Cream. And I'm using the Bron 05. I've heard really good things about this. I haven't tried it before. So I'm really curious. I've always done the Benefit or the Anastasia pencil, but the Benefit cream is my all-time favorite. But I've heard good things about this and I am ready to try. So basically what you always want to do, you want to make sure you map out your brows. I always like to map it out based on the shape or based on how your hair grows. Please make sure that you're kind of dabbing and going. You don't want to draw it on. For me, I like a very dramatic brow. I'm kind of like taking it a little bit towards my, because it's just too, for me, my brows are just too far apart. So I'm just kind of bringing it over a little bit. And don't worry if the line is a little bit messy, because at the end you will go, at the end I am going to clean it up with a little bit of concealer. So please make sure that you are following the way your hair grows. Please make sure that you're following exactly how your hair grows, honey, because we do not want to be walking around this summer with brows that are beyond here, looking like this. Honey, it's hot girl summer and we need to look the part, okay? Once you blend it out, I think I need to blend in here a little bit, honey. Right in here looking like I left her out. So once you blend everything out together, mine's is looking a little thick. So I'm gonna take my Giorgio Armani fabric concealer. This guy here. What's this? It's the fabric concealer number 11 that I'm using. This concealer is the bomb, you guys. Especially for women of color, like deeper skin tone, deeper yellow undertone. So what you want to do is, and I'm using a very angled, this is liner brush. I forgot actually where I got this liner brush. Oh, it's actually from Tarte. I just saw Tarte on it. It's actually from Tarte. It's Tarte eyeliner brush, but I actually use it for to outline the concealer on my brows to kind of really give my brow that nice definition. So I'm just gonna take it and kind of follow that line I created before when I was mapping out my brows. Just kind of following it, going straight down. And then out. And then please make sure that and it's up to you when you want to do your brows, because this for me is a little outside my comfort zone, because my brow, to me, brows make your face, and it's the first thing everyone's supposed to do first before starting anything. Before you even start your shadow, I feel like your brows needs to be done, filled in, shaped out. That's just my opinion. I just feel like it's a necessity to have your brows done, because it really defines the shape of your face. All right, and that concealer just basically just melts right in to my brows. That's so nice. So I'm gonna do the same thing on the top. I'm gonna follow that same line that I created before I start filling it in. So blend it going over. And just take your time. Be very patient. Don't rush. Be very patient. My accent. Be very patient with your brows and just blend it in. And I highly recommend that you ladies or guys use a angle liner brush. It's the perfect, because it's angled to your brows, so it kind of cleans it up very well, and that looks really good. All right, so I kind of went off camera and finished my look a little bit. So this, I had a little highlighter onto my face. So this is how the brow came out, guys. I think I like it. I think I really do like it. It's a good color. The color matches really nicely. Complements my hair color. It's pretty good. It doesn't look chunky. It didn't dry very quickly where I couldn't blend it really well. It was really good. I really enjoyed using it. But let's see if it lasts all day. I will return. I hope it will last all day. I just hope it will in this heat, in this New York City heat. But so far so good. It's pretty good. pretty awesome. Let me know what you guys think about it. Let me know what other brow products out there that is great. I would love to know. I'm like a big brow person. Like I will go without no makeup, but my brows have to be on. Like it's non-negotiable. Like my brows has to be on. So I know that my page. I need a little. Sorry guys. I need a little balm there, honey. My lips is a little, you know. Um, and this is what I'm using. I love it so much. It's like a little balm that you can use for lip and cheeks. I do have it on my cheeks too. I'm not sure if you guys can see it. I don't like blush that much. I don't like blush that much. So I tend to kind of put it on my lips. But now I'm trying to like kind of touch up with my blush a little bit. But yeah, so let me know what other brow products out there, guys, that I can try, because I am a big brow fanatic. And also there is a lot more content, I'm so excited, that's gonna come for you guys. I have so much video recorded of how to do your wigs and how to install your wigs. I just made this bomb ass curly water curl wig, Brazilian hair wig, and I can't wait to install it and show you guys how to install your hair and how to take care of curly hair. I decided also, I forgot to say this, so I decided, because a lot of my friends, it's like, you should show how to do makeup, your makeup is always nice, you know how to do makeup. But I have to say, lately I fell off so bad. Yeah, I fell off when it comes to doing makeup. But I want to do it for you guys. I'm a new YouTuber and I want to show you all my talents. These hands are gifted, guys. So I just want to like share the wealth and share the knowledge of everything I know. So let me know. Let me know what you think about this video. Let me know what I missed out from this video. Let me know next time for any other brand that brow brand that I'm doing review on, or any makeup brand that I'm doing review for. I need your guys' feedback to see like what other things I can do better, what other things I should add to my channel. So I will be doing, again, I will be doing hair wigs, how to take care of your wigs, how to make your wigs, extension, how to care for your extension, how to add your extension, and of course, how to do your makeup. So I have a lot of things coming. I think I want my next video on makeup to be the Alyssa Edwards palette. I do have it, and I am so excited to use it. I want to see how it looks on honey, our complexion. So I'm so excited to show you guys all of that. So please remember to like and subscribe to my channel, and please follow me on Instagram _house HAUS _off_J. And again, guys, please make sure you like and subscribe and let me know what you think. Thank you, and please remember, peace, love, and positivity. Mwah.